Okay.
Okay, great. So Kaivalya, we are going to study today about mode. Before that, we will discuss about few answers about median. Okay. So Kaivalya, you will also have to explain and maybe explain wherever I need an explanation. Okay. Now the first question
Okay,
was
sir.
right. Uh, Following is the distribution of the certain farms. Okay. What is the median class, Kaivalya? What is the median class here?
So median 35 to 45.
How did you get the median class?
By formula n upon 2.
N upon 2. We found out n upon 2. That is 50.
Yes.
Then what did you do?
Then I find median by L plus n upon 2 minus
How did
CF
you
upon
find
L.
out median class, Kaivalya? How did you find out median class?
So by the formula
Which
L
formula?
plus
No. How did
L
you find the median class? You are telling me how did you find out median? I want to know how did you find the median class?
median class. सर
35
50
to
आया
45 कैसे मिला? 50 आया, perfect. हाँ, फिर 50 आया.
तो 50 से ज्यादा का 61.
हाँ, मतलब cumulative frequency just greater than 50 is 61.
हाँ.
जो क्लास है 35 to 45 हो गया अपना मीडियन क्लास. परफेक्ट, थैंक यू सो मच. तो एल हो गया 35, एफ हो गया 25, सी एफ हो गया 36 एंड सो ऑन, राइट?
Yes.
What is the answer, Kaivalya?
40.6.
40.6. So how many of you got the same answer? How many of you got the same answer? 40.6. How many of you? Type on the chat box. I don't know where the chat box is gone. I'm trying to find out. Okay. Kaivalya, thank you so much. Tyler, if you can, I will mute you. Now somebody else who can answer. Next, I'm trying to read somebody. Soham from Vikroli. Soham. See, I'm just randomly picking up. There is no scientific way to pick up the right person. Soham, I'm not able to mute you, unmute you. Okay. Oh, Soham, you can hear me. Soham Kale
Yes,
from
sir.
Vikroli. Yeah, you wanted to answer, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Soham. Tell me what is the, how do you find the cumulative frequency you found out?
Yes.
So N is 300. Tell me which is the median class and why?
30 to 40 is the median class.
30 to 40 is the median class. Why? Why do you feel 30 to 40 is the median class?
N upon 2
N upon 2.
is equal to
That is 150. Yes, tell me.
300.
Kaivalya, I can't hear you. Kaivalya. Hi, Kaivalya. I lost Kaivalya for some reason. Soham, sorry, I was telling Soham. I can't hear him. So I will explain. So more than 150, the class cumulative frequency just greater than 150 is 157. So ये जो 157 है, उसका corresponding class 30 to 40 है. So that will be our median class. Writing the median class, you get one answer. So L becomes 30, F becomes 55, CF is 102, N upon 2 is 150, and H is 10. And the answer for the median would be 38.73. 38.73. Okay, no problem. Now we will discuss. I think there is one more sum to be discussed. I hope everybody has written the final answer with the unit. Okay, great, perfect. Now, anybody who wants to give me the next answer? Okay, I will take Morvika from Chembur. Hi, Morvika.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Okay, you're ready with the answer for the next one, Morvika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me what is the answer. Directly answer.
Sir, 98.5.
Okay, how many of you agree with Morvika? How many of you agree with Morvika? Morvika, nobody's agreeing with you. I can't see the chats. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, there are many people who are agreeing with you. So I think Morvika is right. The median class happens to be, Morvika, what is the median class?
Sir, the median class is 90 to 100.
That is perfect. 90 to 100. Now,
Yes,
N
sir.
2 is 40. 80 upon 2 is 40. So,
Yes,
cumulative
sir.
frequency just greater than 40 is 43. तो उसका corresponding class is 90 to 100 and that happens to be the median class, and rest I think it is just calculation. Answer is 98.5. That is what you told me, right?
Yes, sir.
That's perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much, Mauvika. Thank you, everybody. I think this was the answer. Now, kids, now before we go ahead, I want you to know that there are two types of median sums which are yet to be discussed. In fact, three types, out of which one type I will be discussing in my last lecture, and two types will only be discussed in the classroom. Now, going ahead, kids, we are going to discuss about mode. Anybody who knows anything about mode? Anybody who knows anything about mode? Today my chat box is getting hang, so right now I'm not able to listen to the chat box. Anybody who knows about mode? Okay. Now what is mode? Mode is usually something that is repeated maximum number of times. Something that is repeated maximum, highest frequency, as Atharva says, highest frequency. Tanvi says highest frequency in the data. Fine. Now we have understood how to find out mode for discontinuous data. Now we have to, discontinuous not, for ungrouped frequency distribution table. Now we have to understand how to find out mode for, what do we say, grouped frequency distribution table. Now I am giving you the formula for mode first. So the mode formula for you would be, please make a note of it, L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Trust me, mode is the easiest of all. L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Let me know once you are done writing the formula, and I'm going to ask somebody the formula. Somebody is going to answer me the formula. Done. Who has by hearted the formula? Can you tell me? I could see Clyde. So Clyde, one more opportunity. Last time you could not speak. Yes, Clyde. Can
Yes,
you tell
sir.
us the formula for mode?
Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus 0 upon
F1 minus 0.
F1 minus F0
Yeah.
upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H.
Into H. Perfect. Thank you so much, Clyde. It was perfect. Now, students, now we are going to understand what is F0, what is F1, what is F2 with the help of a sum. A very easy type of sum, I think the easiest of all lectures after direct method. I'm going to read the sum for you. The table shows the information regarding the milk collected from farmers on a milk collection center and the contents of the fat of a milk measured by a lactometer. Find the mode of the fat content. We have content of the fat 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Milk collected in liters are 30, 70, 80, 60, 20 respectively. Now students, I want you to know one more thing. It's very important to find out whether the class, to find out more, that the classes are continuous. For some time I'm not looking into chats, so there is no point in sending me messages. Just pay attention. Like I told you in median, in mode also, it is compulsory that the classes should be continuous. Now if you see 2 to 3, next number should be 3. 3 to 4, next lower limit should be 4. 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. For mean, it does not matter कि classes continuous है क्या नहीं. But for median mode compulsory है. Classes continuous नहीं होगा, तो classes को continuous करना पड़ेगा. We will learn that in next lecture. Now, their frequency is, first of all, we will find out H. There are many students who are having doubts with class width yet. Class width is the difference of two consecutive lower limits. Upper limit, lower limit को minus नहीं करने का, दोनों lower limit को minus करने का. 3 minus 2, that happens to be 1. I will write down the frequency. Now students, like we found out median class, to find out median, we need to find out modal class to find out mode. Modal class ढूंढना पड़ेगा, और modal class ढूंढना बहुत easy है. For median class we had to do so many things. n upon 2 ढूंढो, फिर cumulative frequency में जाओ, cumulative frequency n upon 2 से just greater कौन सा है ढूंढो, फिर वो class हो गया median class. For model class it's very simple. Now students, out of the frequencies we have to find out which is the highest frequency. Definitely some of you told me mode मतलब जो सबसे ज्यादा बार repeat हो रहा है, one of which has highest frequency is called as mode. तो सबसे highest frequency ढूंढो. If you see 30, 70, 80, 60, 20, ये सारे में से सबसे बड़ा 80 है. तो 80 का जो क्लास है उसका करस्पॉन्डिंग क्लास है 4 to 5 becomes the modal class. So let us focus on the modal class. Writing this modal class is 4 to 5 will give you 1 mark. It's very simple. Now students, now we need to find out the different components of the formula. Now definitely the lower limit of the modal class is L. The highest frequency, that is the frequency of the modal class, is F1. उसके ऊपर का कोई क्लास है तो F0. उसके नीचे वाला frequency is F2. Very simple. F1 is the highest frequency. Highest frequency के ऊपर वाला F0. Highest frequency के नीचे वाला F2. L मिल गया, H मिल गया. तो I'll make a note of that. L is 4, F1 is 80, F0 is 70, F2 is 60, and H is 1. Is this understood? Is this understood? Type in the chat box if understood. Yes, yes, if understood. No, if not understood. Once again, I will explain. Highest वाला F0, highest वाला F1 है, that is 80. उसके ऊपर वाला F0, उसके नीचे वाला F2, और मॉडल क्लास हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी वाला क्लास है, that is 4 to 5, और उसका लोअर लिमिट is called the L. Any doubts whatsoever? I'm assuming there is no doubts. Now I'll write down the formula for mode. L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now let us substitute the values one by one. L, we know L is 4 plus F1 minus F0. F1 80 है, F0 70 है, तो 80 minus 70 upon 2F1. 2F1 का मतलब हो गया 2 into F1. That will be 2 into 80 minus F0, that will be 70, minus F2, that will be 60 into H, that is 1. अभी L हमेशा उसको ऐसे ही रखो, लास्ट में ऐड करने का, as I suggested for median. Now here 80 minus 70 would be 10. Now here 2 into 80 will be 160, minus 70 minus 60 into 1. 4 plus as it is 10 upon 160 minus 70 minus 60. 160 minus 70 would be 90. 90 minus 60 would be 30. Into 1 है, नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. यहाँ पे 0 0 gets cancelled. 1 upon 3 if you divide, it will be 0.333333 चलते जाएगा. So 4 plus 0.33 will be 4.33, and that is the answer. The mode of fat content is 4.33%. Now if you see, modal class 4 to 5 था, तो 4 से बड़ा होना चाहिए, 5 से छोटा होना चाहिए. That is the answer. I hope this is very clear. I hope this is clear. There is some problem with my chat box. I don't know why I'm not getting to see the chat box right now. So I got it now. Everybody understood? Anybody having a problem? Everybody will have a problem. Yeah. We will repeat. No. H is coming. H is discussed right from the beginning. Mean में कैसा H मिला था? See, look at this arrow. ये 3 और 2 जो है arrow में मैंने mark किया, उसका difference is H. F1, F0 is F1 is the highest frequency. F1 is the highest frequency. F2 F1 के नीचे वाला, F0 F1 के ऊपर वाला. Okay, we will just revise everything. I will need somebody's help on revising thing. Anybody who is willing to answer question. 10 upon 30 subtract करके. Khushi wants to. So Khushi. Hi, Khushi.
Hello, sir.
Hello. So we will explain. You will help me revising everything with the help of everybody. Okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, first of all, tell me, Khushi, how did I get this H? Everybody, just pay attention.
Sir, lower limits of first and second class.
हाँ, कोई भी
Subtract
क्लास
them.
का लोअर लिमिट सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो. दैट इज एच. ओके. खुशी, टेल मी, हमको मॉडल क्लास कैसे मिला 4 to 5?
सर उसके लिए सबसे हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी फाइंड आउट करना है एंड
वो क्या था हमारा 80.
या
तो उसका क्लास जो हो गया 4 to 5. Everybody pay attention. It is for everybody. We are talking so that everybody gets the answer. Okay, Khushi. Khushi, how did we get F1? How did we get F0? How did we get F2?
so F1 is the highest frequency in the whole column and F0 is exactly the one above F1 and F2 is the one below it.
F2 is one below it. Perfect. And then we have to just substitute in the formula. There were some students asking me, sir, ये 10 upon 30 कैसे मिला? If you see 10 तो था ही ऊपर. 160 minus 70 is 90. 90 minus 60 is 30. So please do your calculations. You will get the answer. Now I'm giving you 3 minutes to copy down the entire sum, everybody. And please message me once done. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Khushi, if you can mute yourself. Done. Okay. Now the next sum also you people have to do it completely, and then I will pick up somebody to answer. Okay. I'll pick up somebody to answer. Now somebody is going to tell me till everybody is writing. I'm picking up randomly somebody to answer few questions. Okay. Good evening, Zubia from Saidham. Can you listen to me? Hello. Hi, Zubia. Can you hear me? Hello. Yes, Zubia, you can hear me, right? Yes, Zubia. Okay. I'm going to randomly pick up, not somebody who tells. Okay, are we done? How to find out L? मीडियन क्लास का लोअर लिमिट जो हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा उसके क्लास का लोअर लिमिट विल बी द L. हाईएस्ट क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी. सर, राइटिंग द क्लास विद एट द स्टार्ट इज कंपल्सरी. Not at the start is compulsory. You can do it later on. Okay. Done. Anybody who's not done, right? Not done. Anybody who's not done, please tell me not done. Okay, Mehak, I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting. Is my voice low or I am clear? Is my voice low or I'm clear? Clear. Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm waiting for another 10 seconds and then we will go to the next sum. It's easy, correct? It's easy. Everybody, easy or difficult? Easy, difficult. Easy. Okay, perfect. Okay, so there is a next sum for you. I'm giving you 5 minutes time. So no additional column. I'm giving you H. H is 20 because 20 minus 0 is 20. Now 5 minutes time to solve. Okay, to find out the mode. Please do find the mode. Your time starts now. Roshan, trust me, it is easy. If you found it difficult, we will discuss the sum again in this. Okay. Shirish, I got your point. Yes, Shruti, I'll explain this sum again. In fact, Shruti, I'll pick you up. You will explain me the sum. You will tell me how to get it done. Okay, Shruti? No, Shruti Jadhav from Ghatkopar will answer because she wants me to explain it again. So I will explain with the help of her, and answer somebody can. I will take it till the formula with the help of Shruti. I am unmuting Shruti. Hi Shruti. Hi Shruti. Uh, uh, hello Shruti. Shruti, you can hear me? Hello. Shruti, you wanted me to revise. Can you hear me, Shruti? No, she doesn't. She can't hear me. Okay. Shruti can't hear me. You all can hear me, right? Okay. Okay. Now I'll take the help of Meet Panchal. Meet, are you ready to answer? Meet? Hi Meet. Hello Meet, you
Hello,
can hear
sir.
me? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Meet. There are few students who want me to revise. So I think you can help me in this. Okay, Meet?
Sure, sir.
Okay. So you can see the class interval and frequency with me. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we got H. Now tell me very slowly for everybody, uh, uh, how do I find out the modal class?
The highest number.
Which is the highest number? Highest number
100,
मतलब
100.
frequency में से.
Yeah,
So Meet says highest is 100. हाँ Meet, highest is 100. Perfect.
Sure.
So 60 to 80 should be my modal class.
Yes, sir.
Right, Meet, according to you?
Yes.
Perfect. So highest frequency is 100. So Meet says, and Meet is perfectly right, that highest 100 है, तो उसका जो class होगा 60 to 80, that will be the modal class. Yes, Meet. Meet, tell me how will I get L?
L is the lower limit of the model class, that is 60.
Okay. तो 60 to 80 अगर मेरा modal class है, 60 is the lower limit, 80 is the upper limit, and L becomes the lower limit of the modal class, that is 60. Perfect, Meet. Meet, go ahead. Tell me what is F1?
F1 is the 100.
100. Why F1 is 100? Highest wala?
Highest.
The highest one is F1.
Yes.
Or what will be F0, Meet?
The number of exactly above it.
Yes.
70.
100 से जो
F0.
just ऊपर है, that will be F0. Perfect. What will be F2,
F2 will be
Meet?
the number just below 100.
Perfect.
80.
I think we got all the elements that we need in the formula, right, Meet?
Sure. Yes, sir.
Do you think it's very simple?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very easy.
Okay. Thank you so much, Meet. I'll mute you again. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
So I'll give you 5 minutes from here. I'll give you 5 minutes from here to solve. And then somebody will give me the answer. Somebody will give me the explanation for answer. I am going to pick up messages only who gives me the answer after 5 minutes, not before that. If you're giving me answer in advance, I am not considering it. Okay. The formula is wrong here. Oh, okay. I picked up some formula. You will have to write the old formula only. FM के जगह पे आएगा F1. Please ignore the formula. Ignore the formula that is there on the screen. There is a mistake. Thank you so much. Use the same formula. Use the same formula. Actually, there are many authors. I remember different formulas for mean, mode, giving different formulas. So we typed out some other formula. Yes, Preet, what is your doubt? Okay. So great. Steiner will answer. Steiner. Hi, Steiner.
Hello, sir. Yes.
I am pronouncing it right?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, my formula on the screen will be wrong, so ignore that. So can you tell me the
Yes,
formula?
Sir, L plus
Mhm.
Fi minus F0 upon 2 Fi minus F0 minus
Okay.
F2.
First of all, it is not Fi, it is F1. So ignore the formula. It has to be L plus, tell me.
L plus
L plus
F1
F1
minus F0
F1 minus
upon
F0
upon 2 F1 minus
minus
F0
F0
minus F2 into H.
into H. Perfect. So ignore the formula. And what will be the substitution? Next step, tell me, Steiner.
So 60 plus 100 minus 70 upon 2 into 100 minus 70 minus 80
Into
into 20.
perfect. Ignore the formula. Write the same formula that you know. Even this formula is right. It's just that it's right in a different context. But use the formula that I gave you in the previous slide. So Steiner,
Yes, sir.
one of my suggestion is never add 60 till you complete the bracket wala part and the plus wala part after plus wala. So you tell me,
Yes.
what is 100 minus 70?
30.
30. What is 2 into 100? 200
200.
minus 70 minus 80 into 20. So 60 as it is upon 30. What is 200 minus 70 minus 80?
Sir, 50.
That has to be 50 into 20. So if I cancel 0 0, 5 1s are 5 6s are cancel कर दिया, तो 6 2s are कितना हो जाएगा? 12. 60 plus 12 will be 72, and
So
that
72.
should be my final answer. This was your answer, Steiner?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Okay, students. I